You guys aren't going to believe this. US Mobile secretly rolled out premium data to all customers with 5G phones on the Verizon network. So yes, if you're a US Mobile customer with a 5G phone, you now get premium data, the exact same speeds and performance as Verizon postpaid plans directly. How did I discover this? Well, I was out speed testing and, well, let's just roll the clip.
Hey guys, so I'm out speed testing and I noticed something really interesting. So this is a side-by-side speed test of Verizon postpaid, US Mobile, and Verizon prepaid. And what we know, Verizon postpaid has 50 gigabytes of premium data. US Mobile used to be deprioritized, but more on that in a moment. And Verizon prepaid is deprioritized. Check this out. When we run these speed tests side by side, you're not going to believe these results. Boom! Look at that. US Mobile, neck and neck with Verizon postpaid and Verizon prepaid, a truly deprioritized plan. It's getting the rock bottom speeds here, just about 4.5 megabits per second down. US Mobile going head to head with Verizon's postpaid plan. So yes, it does look like US Mobile has premium data. This is awesome, you guys. US Mobile, I think, is one of the first MVNOs ever to offer premium data. And as these results finish up here, we did get the fastest speeds on Verizon postpaid, 44.9 down and 22.1 up. US Mobile finishing with 37.5 down and 20.4 up. And Verizon prepaid in last, 4.5 down and 28.2 up. But yeah, guys, wow. This confirms, in my eyes at least, that US Mobile does have premium data. US Mobile is now going neck and neck, head to head with Verizon's very own postpaid plans. I mean, look at this. US Mobile's climbing, Verizon comes back down. They're neck and neck. They are neck and neck. This is so awesome. This makes US Mobile's plans, I would say, potentially even a better value than Verizon. We're going to have to do a side-by-side comparison at the end of the video here, so stay tuned for that. Wow, look at those speeds, you guys. So close. And the tests finish up 38.7 down and 24.2 up on Verizon postpaid. US Mobile 34.5 down, 28.6 up. And yes, this is still US Mobile 5G. And as further confirmation, check this out. If we run a speed test side by side, US Mobile versus Verizon prepaid, you can see, yeah, US Mobile absolutely gets the faster speeds here. It's getting prioritized on the network over Verizon prepaid, which is why it's getting such fast speeds. Look, it got 42.4 down compared to 18.1 down, and Verizon prepaid at the end there, you can actually see got a huge speed boost because US Mobile actually finished its test. So yeah, wow, US Mobile has premium data on the Verizon network when you're using a 5G phone. This is awesome.
But how can we tell for sure if US Mobile has premium data? Well, lucky for you, I actually have a way to find out, and it's by measuring the QCI value, or Quality of Service Class Identifier, to see what tier US Mobile falls into. So check this out. I've got an app called Network Signal Guru right here, and it can actually tell us the QCI value of the plans. So let's start with Verizon's postpaid plan. I'm going to grab this SIM card and insert it into the Pixel 3a here, and the Pixel 3a is going to connect to the network. And what I like to do is typically run a speed test just to make sure the SIM card is inserted and the data is working properly. And once we have this completed, we can open the Network Signal Guru app and it'll tell us the QCI value. Okay, so now jumping into the Network Signal Guru app, and boom, we can immediately see the QCI value. So this postpaid Verizon plan has a QCI value of 8, and this is what Verizon uses for their postpaid premium data or priority data. So now let's check US Mobile. Oh, and you can also see one for 5. I believe that's for calling and such, but the data one is actually 8. 6 through 9 are the data ones. So let's try US Mobile. Popping in the US Mobile SIM card now, and we're gonna find out if it actually has premium data. So if it has premium data, we're gonna see a QCI value of 8 like Verizon postpaid, and if it's deprioritized, we'll see a QCI value of 9. So first, I'm just running again that data speed test. The speed test is running in the background, And what we're looking for here is QCI value 8 or 9. If it's 8, again, US Mobile has premium data confirmed, at least as reported by Network Signal Guru. And if it says 9, then it will be deprioritized. And there you go, QCI confirmed. US Mobile does now have premium data on the Verizon network. How cool is that? That makes US Mobile's plans such a great value. And just to prove to you this is US Mobile, I'm going to do this in one single take without cutting the camera. I'm just going to eject the SIM card because it is saying Verizon everywhere. But check it out. SIM card's coming out. Boom. US Mobile. Look at that. That is so cool. All right, and just to show you what a deprioritized plan looks like, I'll grab the Verizon prepaid SIM card. Verizon prepaid is now going in. Let's actually go to the Network Signal Guru app. Go ahead, clear that out. We'll clear everything out. Let's run some speed tests and wait for that QCI value to populate in Network Signal Guru. So let's see what populates for Verizon prepaid. And boom, there you go. After a quick restart and checking everything again, you can clearly see Verizon prepaid getting a QCI value of 9, showing it is deprioritized, and that's exactly what we saw in the data speed tests. Okay, now that we've confirmed, yes, US Mobile does get premium data, what plans are eligible for the premium data? How do you get the premium data? And how do US Mobile's plans compare now that we know they're getting premium network access? First, what plans are eligible? All US Mobile plans on the Super LTE network, which uses Verizon for coverage, automatically get premium data if you're using a 5G phone. If you have a 4G LTE phone, unfortunately, I don't believe you're getting premium data at this time. Second, how do you get it? Well, all you need to do is literally sign up for US Mobile. I'll drop a link down below and a code that will get you $20 of account credit, which is pretty cool. And when you sign up with a 5G phone, boom, your plan will automatically include premium network access on Verizon. If you opt for US Mobile's unlimited plan, you're automatically getting 75 gigabytes of premium data for just $45 per month. That's $35 less than what Verizon is charging for their Play More or Do More plans, and you're actually getting 25 extra gigabytes of premium data. How cool is that? And that brings us to point number 3. How does US Mobile compare to the other plans now that we know it has premium data? Well, in short, it's outstanding. In fact, I think it's probably the best deal out there on the Verizon network if you're looking for a prepaid option. For single line users, you can first consider the data bucket plans, and I'll flat out tell you right now, these are the best value plans you can get for light to average data use. Comparing these to the options from Verizon prepaid, and not only are you getting premium network access, but you're getting a way better value. $15 gets you 5 gigs of data on US Mobile compared to $35 from Verizon prepaid. So again, please don't get Verizon prepaid. If you missed my 11 things you need to know about Verizon video up here, that was one of them. Please don't get Verizon prepaid. US Mobile is your new best friend and probably the best option. The next option is for unlimited plans for single line users. If we compare the options here, we've got Visible's $25 unlimited plan. This is truly unlimited data with unlimited hotspot data at 5 megabits per second. Next is US Mobile's plan. This is $45 a month, so a little bit more expensive than Visible, but you're getting 75 gigabytes of premium data, as well as full access to Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network for speeds up to like 3-4 gigabits per second, and you're even getting access to Verizon's new C-band network. If you want the hotspot, there is a $10 add-on that's optional and gives you 20 gigs of hotspot data. Two other options here are Xfinity Mobile and Verizon themselves. Xfinity, $45 a month, so the same as US Mobile, but only 20 gigabytes of fast data before your speeds are slowed to 1.5 megabits per second down and 0.75 megabits per second up. You do get hotspot here, but speeds are capped at 600 kilobits per second, so it's there, but it's like not usable and not fun. That's how I'll put that. Lastly, we have Verizon, the most expensive at $80 a month for a single line. you're only getting 50 gigabytes of premium data. I can't believe I'm saying that. US Mobile is giving you more premium data for a way lower cost. And on Verizon, you are getting 25 gigs of hotspot data included, as well as some perks depending on what plan you get. So here, I think the best choices are Visible and US Mobile. Visible if you flat out want the cheapest option and truly unlimited hotspot data, and US Mobile for, I think, everything else is just gonna give you a way better experience with that premium data. Next up for families, the cost of these plans actually drops, and yes, US Mobile is just $25 per line for a family of 4, and you now get to choose 2 perks. This can be Netflix, Spotify Family, Apple Music Family, HBO Max, literally anything you see here. The other plans from Xfinity and Verizon do drop in price as well, but nowhere close to as low as US Mobile. And with what you're getting from US Mobile, the 75 gigs of premium data, I think I've said that so many times now. That's how excited I am about it and how much my mind is blown at how good of a value this plan is. You can't beat it. So there you go. That is US Mobile. They launched premium data. I think they're probably the #1 carrier on the Verizon network right now, possibly even better than Verizon themselves. So what do you think of US Mobile's new plans? Leave a comment down below. I am so curious to hear your thoughts. Also, share this video with one person who's either on Verizon already, because they should probably consider switching, or who's interested in learning more about US Mobile. Click the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to save money on your cell phone bill. Thanks to these Patreon supporters for making videos like this possible, and thanks to you for watching.